Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about Galax, one of my favorite foliages. When you purchase it, often it comes in a plastic bag. To keep it alive the longest, take it out of the bag, undo the twisty, go ahead and remove that, and then some people find it helpful to submerge them. Let them soak for 20 minutes or so. Then, take them out, give them a cut, and set it upright so it can start drinking. If you don't need to use them all right away, what you can do is undo the band, submerge them and shake, but just for a moment, and then put them right back in the bag, seal it, and it will last literally for months in your flower cooler. Now you know how the pros do it.